darkness, my old friend, I come talk with you again, because the vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision was planted in my brain, still remain within the sounds of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of the street lamp, turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of the neon light, split the night and touched, I said, the sounds of silence. And in the naked light I saw 1,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs and voices never share. No one dare disturb the sounds of silence. Fools, I said, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words, like silent raindrop bells, now with the sound of silence, bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed its warming, and the words that it was forming, and the sign said the words of the prophet are written on the subway wall, tenement hall, and whispered the sounds of silence.